Hi, good people, nice to meet you again. Let's come and join us here. Today we are going to show you how to make a beautiful crepes with a balloon twisting. Let's prepare the balloon special for purple color, or you can use green or maybe red, something like the real one for the color of the crepes. But here we use the purple color, and you can see start make with a small bubble, make that in 4 pieces and then tie them together. Okay, we just need to repeat the same thing because this is all the things is about a small bubble, so you can repeat the same step of the small bubble here, and just stay tuned here. You will get your own crepes with your own balloon. Okay, so far like the video show you, I hope you get the same thing also with your own balloon over there. Okay, let's see for the next, do the same thing with a small bubble, and after that we can twist some of them, and the size also you can make the same size for each other, but you can make it in mixed size. As we know, the grapes is not the same size in a stem. Okay, so let's see. And while mm, we twist them again, so we can find out the shape of the grapes. Okay, let's continue again for the small bubble, and we twist them together again, so we make it in 3 pieces and then twist it together, and another one we combine again. So that's the way how to get the shape for the grapes balloon. And the rest of this balloon we can discard, and don't forget to tie the balloon. Okay, so one piece, the last of the, not, it's not the last, but one piece of them we insert between of the bubble, and now we can finish the balloon. We make it tidy. Okay, so this is for the crepes, and now we are going to use the green color. It's for the stem and also for the leaf. So we can make the leaf for in 2 pieces. Just make it with a loop twisting. Okay, the rest of the balloon we bring on the middle or between of the leaf and take some size for the stem. After that, for the rest of the balloon we discard. Don't forget to tie the balloon. Okay, so this is the crab's balloon. I hope you get yours over there. And thank you to join us. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to support, just like this video and subscribe my channel. We'll see you again with the next video. Thank you and bye bye.